You know when you last in line and you hear people saying, take up the rear. Is this what they mean by bringing up the rear? All you see is rear ends. Y'all let me know. Because if this what it is, I don't want to take up the rear. Just saying. Chase and Kyle running in the trail in the Welsh Mountains. We got big boy Diesel. Diesel. Hup. Hey. Watch this, y'all. Hey, Diesel. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. And a beautiful muddy dog. Ain't that right, Diesel? Hey. And we got the beautiful fiance. She was riding peekaboo, but he's tripping over these rocks. And he just got his feet done, so we're not sure if that's sensitive and that's why he's doing that or what. But she just got off until we off of the rocks. What you say, babe?
I'll get back on him when it smooths out.
Y'all heard that? She gonna get back on it when it smooth out. And I gotta pay attention because, whoa! See that? If you look close, it is rocks all over this trail. Peekaboo don't like it. And neither do I, you know? And she don't neither. Diesel, how you like the trail? Diesel, how you like the rocks? Diesel said, as long as I'm out the house, I'm good. So, look, boy, do I remember these days being a kid, just experiencing life, running around and having fun, playing with sticks and stones, you know, stuff like that, building stuff, just enjoying it. Chase was up there twerking.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we didn't twerk on
Whoa, we never did none of the flossing, none of the twerking, none of that on logs. You know, if anything, we used logs and made stuff, and we even chewed on them at times. Well, oh, we got some company, so I gotta put the video down. But I'll get back to y'all as soon as we, oh, whoa, you see that? Almost fell. Watch it now. I got work, did a two-step. Oh, little doggy. Look, yeah, good little doggy. Now, your dog is friendly, right? So I'm gonna show y'all how friendly a pit bull is. Oh, and the dog is scared. But this is all about how you raise dogs. They get a bad rap because people are fighting them and stuff, which would be any dog. But a little dog like that, you see his tail wagging and stuff, he's no aggression. He wants to play with him. So, see? Look, see? All play, all play. There you have it. You've seen it live. Enjoy. A little trick I did. Kids was way in the back. So I said, first one up here gets $1. That'll get them every time. If you look behind me, you see exactly what I'm talking about. Huh? Yeah. Huh? I told y'all, get some every single time. Learn. I hit the button on the accident. Hold on. What you say, dude?
Give me $1.
All right. Why do you get this $1?
Because I was here first.
So, one thing is very important. When you make a bet, you gotta honor it. Or people won't bet with you. And not only that, kids won't believe you. They won't take you serious. So, there you go. Now, do you see that? He won the bet. But my stepson is so generous that he's trying to give it to his friend, even though he won. That's how nice he is. Good job, dude. Hey. Oh, he hit me in my junk. Oh. You're going to get it. Oh, yeah. Ow! Ow! Snowball fight! Oh yeah, you see that? I got skills. I got skills. One more down, one more to go. Oh! This is what you do. You get them whippersnappers. Oh yeah, yeah, Diesel. Yeah, tag teaming. Yeah. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you get these kids. You don't let them get them. You get them before they get you. Learn from me. You want to learn? I'll teach you. I tell you, I teach you. I teach you. I really will teach you. Pay attention. Oh, I got you. You cheaters. Right here we have Kyle. What's your last name?
Gillenwater.
Kyle, who?
Gillenwater.
Kyle Gillenwater on Peekaboo. First time ever riding a horse. And he's doing amazing. Demonstrate. How you like it, Kyle?
Good.
There you have it. This goes to show that not only is Peekaboo okay with new people, but new people are very brave and encouraged from riding Peekaboo. You know the routine, fellas. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't ask why, man. I want you guys to witness this. Been walking this trail for a little bit, and from our company that we had, they told us there was a nice overlook at the end. I want you guys to witness this. At the end of this trail, we kept going in a circle, but then we branched off and we found this. Tell me how beautiful that is. This outlook. And at the end of the trail, they have this bench. And I'm not trying to fall, but I'm gonna show y'all. If y'all can see what it says on the bench. The Casta. Is that a C or a G? I don't know. Family. Yeah. Well, there y'all have it. Gotta walk back now. I didn't include the whole video in there of the whole walk because it's pretty long. But once again, hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification button. Comment. Let me know what y'all want to see in these videos. I know sometimes it's fun. Sometimes it's just maybe. I don't know. But this is just me, my family, my friends and all, just enjoying life, taking it one step at a time, and just learning to appreciate the things that people take for granted in life. Remember, no matter what, always show your smile. Later.